Well, welcome to this month's lesson on Inspired to Paint. Last month I showed you that beautiful bouquet of lilacs from my garden, and I just can't help myself. That's what we're going to do this month. In setting up the composition, if you notice, I have the white lilacs kind of congregated in the front, surrounded by the purple ones and leaves, so that the purple ones are near the background, so that those are complementary to the yellow, and then the whites are in front. So like there's a nice little dark shape right here. So that dark shape kind of makes that leaf. I'm going to throw in a little bit of alizarin to it because I think there's some purple lilacs behind that shape. Okay, I'm actually now going to take this and I'm going to move it in right here. But I love that little green right there, love that. So now that I don't have as much paint on my brush, I'm kind of coming in here to the shadow parts and kind of giving a little suggestion of petals. So I thought it would be a really good idea to show you how I would take a painting that I worked on one day, and even though I think I did a pretty good job in a little over 2 hours that we worked on this particular painting, I think I can take it up another notch. I don't think right now that this is a painting that I would feel comfortable sending it to a gallery. So it's not gallery worthy just yet. So I want to show you some of the things that I think I can do better. I'm going to do a self-critique on this particular painting, and I've done a Photoshop presentation so that you can kind of see what my thought process is. So let's watch that, and then we'll make the changes on the painting. I think if I keep it really thin and then some of that yellow comes through, I think we'll be, you know, it's a little bright. It's a little bright, so I'm gonna pick up a little bit of alizarin, which is in the red violet family, and I'm just gonna kind of gray that down a little bit. And I'm not even looking at the image anymore, but I'm wanting a more connected mass of light. Let's pull on the light. You see how I'm kind of following the shape? Okay, I think that I accomplished what I wanted to accomplish, making this painting, taking it up a notch, I think. Loving how much better that looks, loving the little lavender and the warmer green. I think that was a really good decision, and I think cooling the background made a big difference. As yellow as the background before, it was kind of competing with the lilacs. So cooling it, graying it, punching these up, that really brought the cluster. Making this bigger and punching up those lilacs, I think made a big difference. And I think the shape here is working better. The foreground is better. So overall now I'm happy with the painting. So that's how I would make decisions on, taking a painting from day one and painting as much as I can on that first stage, and then deciding to take it up a notch. A lot of times I can paint, one painting in a day and it's done. It's all done alla prima and it looks fantastic. But with the painting this big, a 2024 for me, that's kind of hard to get done alla prima in one setting. So I hope you learned something from that. I hope you're inspired to paint, and thanks for watching.